everybody, how are you? This is what we're making, and I'm here with me,
Jen. Hi.
Jen.
Hi.
And Brianna. Hi everybody.
Hi. Hello.
Okay, so this is the blank tray that we got from Dollar General. It was regularly $5, and we got it for 50% off.
Yeah.
So we put $2.50. We got these great galvanized handled trays that are, wow, 12 inches in diameter. All right, so Jen says, do you have any more of that vinyl that you did your countertop in? And I said, yeah. So she says, I want to use it in my tray. So Jen just made her tray, and I said, guess what? She goes, what? I go, now you can do mine.
It came out really nice. It looks so real.
This is the vinyl that we have. We're gonna have to piece mine together. Okay? So Jen's going to now work it out.
Well, now this is more challenging than what I had to do.
Because she's on the video.
Okay, well, we got to use the longest here.
We can always cut one of these right in half.
Okay, we might have to, but I want to try to.
This would be on the top.
But it's going the other grain.
Oh, duh.
Yeah. So.
And you know what's funny? TJ has a whole roll at his house.
Pause the video.
No, he's sleeping. I can't. He goes.
They could put it right outside. We could put it right outside.
Okay, let me text him.
Pause the video. We have to do it the right way. We have to.
All right, we're pausing the video. Okay, so we're not running to TJ's. Jen thinks we have enough, so this is what she's decided to do.
Yeah, so I think we could piece this a little bit. And we'll get it in here nice.
Hey, camera, keep looking at the TV screen.
Okay. Alright, so let's try to set this in.
This is that duck vinyl that you get, or is it called Deco vinyl? Deco? Duck.
I think it was duck.
Duck vinyl, and it's in Walmart. And it's real easy to use.
Oh, I'm shifting off the... Sorry.
It's shade. Just stay in focus.
Sorry.
No,
Sorry,
don't
everybody.
apologize. They're good with it.
I'm a newbie.
And you're doing wonderful.
Then we're just going to take this, the bone folder.
And she speaks so softly.
Sorry. But we're going to get a nice crisp crease in here.
TJ's calling.
And next I'm going to use the utility knife, and I'll get a nice clean edge on here.
Nothing. I was going to come and get that roll of vinyl that I gave you, but I think we have enough here.
I'm just going to...
Remember the vinyl that I did my kitchen counter with?
Keep turning.
Yeah, no, I think we're good.
Okay.
No, we're not doing the kitchen. We're making a craft. Yeah, we're still tonight. TJ says still tonight.
We are
Jen's leaving tomorrow morning, so she's working as hard as she can.
We're like elves.
But we're good.
Okay, so that looks nice, fresh and crisp.
All right, thanks, baby.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't see any money. Okay, thanks.
Now this next section,
Okay.
I think we had planned like this. I'm going to just try to
What is that for?
line up the grain of the wood.
And
So I just can't. I'm going to make sure we can match it pretty well, so I might have to keep sliding it a little bit so that we can maybe a scooch more. Just can't miss any spots, you know? I think I like the way that looks. And then we'll get the other pieces to line up good. Okay, so this is going to be this side. So I'm just going to get some of it off. Make it easier. I got to get used to being on camera. Okay, and I'll peel this. And I'm going to try to hopefully get this in a good spot. Put that out. Disrupting everything. Oh, nope, not happy with that. Okay, I think I like that line. So I'm going to go back in.
May I do it?
And
May I do one more?
no, this is something for us adults to do. Okay, and then I'm going to just have to realign. Which side did I have it on? We were trying to get the greens to look good together. So there you have it. Another wooden tray.
Woo!
I think we hid that a little.
And we didn't need to waste gas.
Yes, we didn't waste any gas to go and get more material. We're reusing. Cool. Okay, we need to get Donna now because we're on to the next step.
Done.
Right.
There you have it.
Yay. Mickey.
What are you doing? Oh, we should get the
Yay.
second one and make them clap.
Yeah. High five.
Ah!
Oh, we didn't get it.
Wait.
Oh, here.
High five! Oh my God, we're out of it.
Yes.
All right, so this is our craft. This is the one that I chose. Gather, eat, and laugh. And this is the one Jen chose.
Eat, drink, and be cozy.
And she wonders why her daughter whispers. Because she whispers.
I'm a soft talker.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching, and we will see you real soon. Say bye, Bree.
Bye.
Bye.